Hey there, my name is Alemayhu and I'm a developer. In this video, I wanted to tell you more about what I'm trying to do with this Patreon. So, I want to help more people use Anki. I learned about Anki many years ago and I didn't understand Anki in the beginning. It took me a while, but I'm very happy that in the last few years I've actually understood Anki better as a tool, and I've learned some things that I would like to empower other people all around the world to do. And I hope that I can bring some of the joys of memorization with Anki to people all around the world. So this is my mission. It's written all there in clear text. I'm creating free tools to learn better, faster, and easier with Anki. I want to help anyone out there, anyone really in the world who wants to use Anki. If you support this Patreon, you're helping me in spending more time writing code, spending more time updating documentation, making videos. I also want to dedicate some time in the Anki forums and the Reddit to answer questions, and the more support I can get, the more time I can put in. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate it. I think Anki is a powerful tool for remembering, and I think more people need to use it. So you could be spending your money on anything, really. There's so many things out there in the world, and I really appreciate that you're considering supporting me. Thank you.